Are you struggling to get Web3 jobs? I think it's high time you stop looking where everyone else is looking. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 Web3 jobs you never knew existed. Some of the reasons why you never seem to get Web3 jobs, no matter how hard you try, are: one, everyone else is doing the same thing you are doing. Two, there are thousands of you applying for that same job. Three, you don't try to look outside the box. And the last but not the least, you don't follow me. It is not a new fact that every Web3 job seeker will always want to work as a community moderator, a chat engager, a shiller, a collab manager, and etc. That is even why most crypto projects don't employ chat engagers anymore, because everyone there is seeking for job by engaging. And if you join this category of people, it will be very difficult for you to secure a job. Now, don't you think it's the right time to look where everyone else is not looking, so that there will be less of you applying for that same position, thus increasing your chances of securing that job? But then be sure that it is something you will be able to do and that you are highly employable. So without further ado, let me now show you the 5 Web3 jobs you probably never knew existed. And if you apply for these jobs, your chance of getting a Web2 job will be slimmer. So everyone, here are the 5 Web2 jobs you never knew existed. And if you apply for these jobs, your chances of securing these jobs will be above 90%. So number one is research analyst. Okay, research analyst. As a research analyst, your job is to study and analyze data and market trends to provide insights and recommendations to stakeholders. Basically, you get paid to identify the risks and opportunities in the Web2 space by investors. Now, you'll be wondering, how can I become a research analyst? You just need to have a good knowledge of using DeFi tools like DeFi Llama, Lifecoin Wash, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. Okay, all these analysis tool that gives record of what transactions, TVLs and all thereabout. Okay, because I have been able to work as a research analyst for a client. Okay, and you can see the job description here as a cryptocurrency high yield DeFi hunter. So this job I did it in the year 2021. Okay, as you can see on my screen, October 30th to December 6th, and I was able to earn $541. Okay, my client was paying me $10 per hour, and I worked for 54 hours. My job was to research for high yield DeFi projects. Okay, high yield DeFi projects. So that was my job. So I used different tools like CoinMarketCap, Lifecoin Wash, CoinGecko, and other Web3 tools that gives us data and metrics of crypto projects and their APIs and API to research for the job. So this is exactly what it means to be a research analyst. There are people who are looking for research analysts. There are investors who are looking for research because they don't have this time to go and doing this analysis by themselves. So if you position yourself as a research analyst, you're going to be getting the job coming to you. And you can also use Upwork, like I've done, to also check out for this job as a research analyst in the Web3 space. Number two, SDR or BDR in Web3. SDR means sales development representative, and BDR stands for business development representative. So they can be used interchangeably. Okay. So SDR and BDR in Web3 are responsible for generating leads and qualifying prospects for a decentralized application or blockchain related product or services. Their role involves outreach to potential customers, building relationships, and educating them about the benefit of the product or services. So what this means is that your role as an SDR or a BDR is to generate leads and qualify prospects for a company or for the project you're working for, to generate sales, to get partnership, to get collaboration, to get featured, or whatsoever, okay, the case may be. And this is one of the most amazing job that is always open in the Web2 space. So if you want to become an SDR today, automatically every company is willing to hire you as an SDR. Okay, so I bet you don't really know this one. Okay, and I have worked as an SDR for a company, okay, and I was able to make $700 for my first commission. Okay, I worked for a crypto company and I made my first commission of what? $1,700. And then I've written a case study, okay, and outlined how I was able to become, or how I ventured into the SDR role in the Web3 space, okay, and how I made my first commission. So if you want to get this ebook guide, you're going to join this free Telegram group known as the Web3 Focus, okay? And you're going to get the link to download this ebook for free. And then you're going to learn how I was able to grow myself as an SDRO and how I was able to generate leads, qualify postpaid, and then making a sale that gives me a commission of what? $1,700. So amazing, okay? So join this group and then you're going to get this ebook all for free for further education. Number 3 on my list, I have project manager. A community manager is not a project manager, and a project manager is not a community manager. As a project manager, you are to oversee and lead the development and launch of the Web3 project and services while working with devs, markets, and other team members to ensure success is achieved. So what this means, as a project manager, you are not a community manager. So every cryptocurrency project has the project manager. Okay, so they have the community manager and they have a project manager. So the project manager is a way higher than the community manager, because as a project manager, you oversee everything that's ongoing between the whole project. Okay, so if the project say we want to go, this is what we want to do in Q1 in our roadmap. As a project manager, it is your duty to ensure that everything that is said that is going to happen in Q1 is going to happen in Q1. So you oversee every action, every activities of the marketing team, the development team, to ensure that the project is running to success. That is the role of a project manager. So every new crypto project coming out is also looking for what? A project manager. So why everybody else be hunting to become a community manager, you can go up a bit higher to seek for the word project manager role. So the number 4 on my list is DeFi security auditor. Here, your role is to review DeFi products and services for security vulnerabilities and provide recommendations for improvement. You are always looking for problems to solve in a project and get paid. Well, there are hosts of projects with bad contract, okay? So every day, new crypto project launch in a space, and these projects are all about codes, right? And this code needs to be audited. So you can become a smart contract auditor or a DeFi security auditor, and your major role is going to be helping projects to audit. So you see, every solid crypto project out there definitely go under auditing. So there are a lot of jobs for you if you become a smart contract auditor or a DeFi security auditor today. The last but not the least is tokenization experts. If you can create tokens, this is for you. This involves advising clients on how to tokenize their assets or create new types of tokens, such as security tokens, utility tokens, or governance tokens, and facilitating their tokenomics. Most projects are moving into tokenizing their asset, and most of them don't understand these things. Okay, so more and more people are coming from the Web2 space to the Web2 space to generate tokens for their project. Your duty is just to guide them on how to go about their tokenomics, okay, which has to do with the generation, the distribution, the TGE, okay, everything that has to do with tokenomics, you are going to guide them. So, okay, you can become a tokenization expert and help new crypto projects in their tokenomics. So these are 5 Web3 jobs you probably never knew existed, and I bet you this job type, many people are not applying for these jobs. Okay, so when you start applying for this jobs type, you are going to set yourself apart from the crowd, and that will in turn increase your chances of getting a Web3 job. And I hope this is going to help you learn. And don't forget to share your success story with me, should in case any of my strategy helps you to secure a job in Web3. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be uploading more tutorial content like this to help you scale your career in Web3. Now, the beauty about the jobs is that
it is readily available and there are very few people applying for the jobs or looking where you will now be looking, and this will increase your chances of getting Web3 jobs, because when you're going to apply for job, only but a few people will be applying for that same role as you. Just imagine you joining a new crypto project group and everybody else is applying to become community manager. It will be very difficult for you to take job. Now, when there are few people who are applying to become a contract auditor, you see, that gives you a high, chances of securing that job. And also, the pay for these job types are huge, and sometimes this job look for you, and you don't even look for the job. And however, the skills are something you can easily learn if you're serious to make money in your two space. Overall, there are so many ways you can make money from the Web3 job space, and I'll be sharing content on how you can. So, if you find this content helpful, you are going to find the next content very useful. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification, and also ask questions in the comment section if you have, and I'll give you the best fit reply. See you in my next video. You're welcome.